local time is set in the timekeeping mode. In order to begin, you press the A button until the seconds flash. When the seconds flash, you use a second source, such as worldtimeserver.com, to sync the seconds. When the second source zeroes out, then you press the C button to sync the seconds. Then you press the B button to make the hours flash and change the hours. Notice that the watch is currently set at 5:32 p.m. We are at 10:21 a.m., so I'm going to have to change this around to the a.m. portion. And so I press the C button until it moves around. Now the P is gone. Now we're in the a.m. and we want to set this to 10. So we'll hold that. And there we go. We've set it to 10. Now accept that by pressing the B button. Then the minutes flash. The minutes here are 21, so I'm going to have to press the C button and hold it until it goes all the way around. And when it gets close and I let up, there we go, 19, 20, 21. So there's the minutes are correct, and I'm going to then press the B button again. Now the year flashes. To change the year, we do the same thing. Press the C button until we get up to 2019, the current year. That's correct, so I press that, accept that. Then the month flashes. It's not March, it's January, so I'm going to have to press this. I'll press and hold a little bit so it goes fast, and then finalize it with one push. There is in January. Then I press the B button to accept that. The day here is the 25th, so I'm going to press and hold the C button and let that go around to the 25th. And I was lucky to hit that just right. We'll accept that. The day here is Friday, so I'm going to press the C button to change the day to Friday, and there we'll accept that. And now we've changed all the parameters. I'm going to press the A button to accept that. Now, we can keep track of time in 2 time zones, but in order to do that, I have to move the screen over to the dual time screen, so I do that by pressing the mode screen, which takes me through the alarm screen and the stopwatch screen to the dual time screen. In the dual time screen, the current time is displayed here. It's 10:23 a.m. We want to set it 2 hours before this, and notice that it's already set to 2 hours before this, which would be 12:24 p.m., but notice that the minutes are not quite right. So in order to adjust this, I'm going to press the adjust button and hold it, and notice that the hours flash. We don't have to adjust the hours, so I'm going to accept that. And then the minutes flash, and notice that I have to go all the way around, so I'm going to press the C button until it moves quickly. We'll move all the way around and come down to, when we get close to the desired minutes, we just slow down and then push the C button until we get to the 23rd. So we'll accept that. So we've set the 2 parameters in the dual time, and I'm going to just press the final adjustment button. So that's how this works. I'm going to go back to the local screen. Here we are. And one other thing to mention is that by pressing the C button in the timekeeping screen, you can change it to a 24-hour clock. We like to have it in the 12-hour clock. So there we're all done. To see how to use the alarm and the stopwatch functions, see my video how to set and use the Casio watch, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.